Back at it once again. It's your man, Boss Gang VIP, with the weekly money watch. Not going to take up too much of your time, man. Some breaking news, breaking news, breaking news. It seems like every single weekend we have breaking news. If you haven't already, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel so you can get the updates as soon as they drop. Let's get into it like we always do. Take a quick look at the Roth portfolio. Everything is absolutely going phenomenal and going according to plan, going in the right direction. I will be adding 2 positions this week. I'm actually going to do some restructuring, sort of. It's going to be some good things going on, so make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you can get that video as soon as it drops. And if you know anybody who's interested in learning how to invest in stocks the right way, make sure that you go ahead and send them over to the channel. Let's get into the economic calendar for the week. There are no events scheduled for Monday. Existing home sales Tuesday, new home sales Wednesday, GDP on Thursday, Friday for 2 PCE. Last couple days of last week, the market was pretty red, but that was expected. If you tuned into the watch list last week, you saw what the almanac had to say. Let's see what it has to say this week. So we're going to just have to monitor price action closely. It can tend to be all over the place. The week after July expiration is prone to wild swings. The Dow has been up 15 of last 25. In 1998, it was down 4.3%. 2002, it was up 3.1%. 2006, up 3.2%. 2007, down 4.2%. 2009, up 4%. And 2010, up 3.2%. So are we going to get one of those crazy days where we go up 3.2%, or are we going to have one of those crazy days where we go down 3.2%? Breaking news. Joe Biden. In a letter Sunday, President Biden said he is ending his re-election campaign. He is no longer going to be the Democratic nominee for president. He is declining the nomination. I believe it is in the best interest of my party and the country for me to stand down and to focus solely on fulfilling my duties as president for the remainder of my term, Biden said in Kamala Harris. So we shall see what happens from here. How is this going to affect the stock market? We saw VIX had a ton of volatility last week. Will this cause this to continue, or will this be used as a catalyst to continue the bullish momentum that we've had for a very, very long time? Setups for this week. Dropbox looks pretty good here. Got an inside quarter. Let's see if we can push up right above a 50% at 23.13, and is a 50% along with a trigger. That's pretty crazy right there. So I'm actually looking for a 4-hour trigger on this one if we can get it above $23.13. So yeah, so 4-hour. What is that? Let me adjust that. What is a 4? I know what a 4 is, but how does it apply here? All right, 4-hour is what we're looking for. Above 23.13, clean high low here, broadening formation on the week here. pretty clean, and if it wants to take off, has a bunch of room. So we'll see what happens there on Dropbox. Zoom, interesting setup here. Very, very interesting setup here. I believe there's a day entry. Let me check this out. Oh, maybe it's a 4 hour. I believe it's a 4 hour entry. Let's see. 4 hour. No, it's a day. Is it a 4 and a day? Let's see. Uh-oh. Let me go to the day, see if I can see what the actual entry is. Oh. Okay, so I think it's a 4 hour. Anyway, we can see the range 76.29 potentially if it wants to reverse back up, but okay, yeah, so it's a 212 4 hour. Let me just activate this and pull it over. Okay, so a 224 hour above 58.95. There's always, if you guys are able to get discounts, please take advantage of those. You can see we're, a little bit from turning the month and the quarter green, currently 2 up on the week. So potential for reversal right here on Zoom. And matter of fact, on DBX, let me just get this info. Earnings, 8/8/24, 5 p.m. Eastern. So that's after market. Last ticker we're going to look at is Twilio. They have earnings on the 1st, 5 p.m. Eastern. So right after market. And Twilio, day entry here. 212 day above 58.83. We have a high-low 50%. We're currently above right now at 57.75. So we'll see how this one goes. But everything seems to be going a well potential for a nice move back across to the other side of these monthly broadening formation. So I'm looking forward to having an absolutely fantastic week. If you have questions, make sure to put them in the comments below, and I'll definitely get back to you when I have time. Looking forward to having a great week. I hope you guys are as well. If you haven't already, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Catch up with you guys next week. This is Boss Gang VIP with the weekly Money Watch. I'm out.